Hey, what's up folks, it's Nick from TSPROF here. In the previous episode we made an overview of one of our tools, Blitz 360, and if you haven't seen that video yet for some reasons, we recommend you watch it first. In today's video we're gonna be telling you about the features of its use and gonna be showing you how to properly sharpen a knife with it to get a razor result. Let's get started. Let's assemble the tool and make it ready for sharpening. Open up the hinge joint and set the retainer in the lower position. Then insert the hinge joint. Assemble the stone holder. Take a holder and put it into the clutch of the guide rod. Tighten the screw. Set the abrasive holder in the hinge joint and set the limiter. Now the tool is assembled. To set the stone in the holder, pull the stationary holder clamp towards you and insert the stone. To set the stones less than 150 mm, take a 1.5 mm hack ski from the spare part kit. Loosen the screw of the movable stopper. Move it to necessary length. Tighten it. With Blitz 360 you can sharpen different kinds of knives, such as hunting, ADC, or kitchen. There is a few holes in the frame. These two on sides for the longer blades. These two small for folding knives, right in the middle for angle finder stand. Of course, you can combine them, depending on the features of the blade geometry. To adjust the clamp thickness, use a 2 mm hack ski from the spare part kit that comes in your set. To change position of clamps, loosen the frame retainer and lift the frame in the upper position. Press the lever and turn the frame at 90 degrees. Unscrew the clamp screw with a 2 mm hack ski and screw it back to the neighboring hole. Clamp a knife by the flat part of the knife. The cutting edge must be parallel to the frame. If it's a flat grind blade, clamp it by the flat area next to the handle. This clamp holds the knife firmly. The other one presses the knife to not let it move. Originally, when you get the sharpener, all nuts of the device are lubricated. However, for proper operation of internal mechanism, we recommend adding a few drops of oil in this hole. For example, you can use a syringe for that. To set the angle in the right way, first of all, set the thickness compensator in accordance with the thickness of stone. For example, in this case, it's 4 mm. So we need to scroll the compensator up to number 4. Here is another case. The thickness of this stone is 9 mm, so we need to scroll the compensator up to number 9. If you use stones of the same thickness, there is no need to change the compensator. But if the next stone has the different thickness, you have to set the compensator in accordance with its thickness. To sum up, the value on the compensator is equal to stone thickness. Then loosen the retainer. And with the adjustment screw, adjust the angle focusing on the engraved scale. The first scale means fillet knives. Second, kitchen. Third, hunting, ADC knives. And fourth, chopping knives. Here is the angle range of each sector per side. Fillet from 8 to 13, kitchen from 14 to 19, ADC hunting from 20 to 24, chopping from 25 to 27 degrees. Take into account that if you lift the hinge joint, the values on scale become incorrect, but in this case you can use an angle cube. If you're using an angle finder, reset it on the abrasive holder, then put it onto the platform and adjust the angle with a screw. If you want to get into the factory angle, you can use a marker. Apply it on the cutting edge and go through it, adjusting the angle until the marker completely removes. As soon as you find the sharpening angle, tighten the retainer. To change sides, press the lever holding the knife by the handle. The tool is ready, knife is clamped, angle is set. Let's proceed to sharpening. Here I have a set of diamond plates which come with Blitz for 60 standard kit and one more extra fine stone of 1200 grit. So let's start with the coarse stone. Turn the side, take a new stone, with the final stone we're getting rid of burr. Make a few movements along the cutting edge, turning the frame each time. Don't push the stone. Here under the microscope you can see the cutting edge before and after. I hope this instruction was helpful to you. Don't miss the opportunity to get Blitz for 60 with a discount of 22%. Thank you for watching, and we would really appreciate it if you give a like to this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, take care and stay sharp.